Delight your customers with a unified experience and keep them updated on hottest offers, useful hotel information, and current services prices with the Hoteza applications, which enable not just an e-version of the in-room directory, but also an option of placing in-room dining orders, spa treatments, and laundry services right on guest devices. Hoteza platform allows hotel staff to improve order processing workflow. New orders are allocated directly to the hotel departments in charge, which ensures the immediate reaction, quick delivery, and satisfied customers. Hotel managers will benefit from the updated order statistics, which is also provided on the platform. Any successful upsell requires some preliminary preparations. At first, it is highly important to adjust the content on Hoteza applications, uploading the services, price lists, and menus available for your guests. Create the menus in the CMS using either shop or service pages. The first type is mostly represented by in-room dining menus or shopping items. Shop pages assume more deliberate settings allowing to adjust tags and upsell items. Also, the ordered shop items are viewed on My Orders section. Service pages are applicable for laundry and dry cleaning, pillow menu, minibar refill, and so on, and they have a button allowing the guest to make the inquiry. Apart from adapting the menus and spa leaflets, it is vital to adjust the orders management workflow so that no notification is missed out. There is a handy rule to keep in mind. The order status must be changed as quickly as possible by the hotel team, as it keeps the guest informed and updates the order statistic constantly. Once the order status is changed to confirmed, the option to change the order for the guest will be disabled. That is why, to succeed in orders processing management, it is highly important to keep control of the new incoming notifications and change their statuses on time. Let's introduce methods of processing order notifications. Primarily, all the guest order and service request notifications are received in the Hoteza CMS, which provides you with a full range of features, starting from getting notifications and changing order statuses to posting to PMS and statistics reports. The CMS shows the full details of guest orders and also the log information, displaying all the actions produced by certain users on the order page. Optionally, with the use of the Hoteza platform, you can adjust some more ways of receiving and processing notifications, which involve the following methods. The first method implies sending notifications via email. Due to its major weak point in invisibility of order statuses changing, this method is not the popular one. Another more efficient and time-saving method involves using a Telegram bot, assuming that it allows the hotel team members both to change statuses and send messages to guests, even when they are not around the computer. However, truly competent hotel teams, aiming at reaching the highest goals, tend to obtain the integration with hotel operation management platforms, specially designed for the smoothest orders processing. The list of supported systems is extended constantly. Applying this method requires some extra investment and has to be negotiated with your Hoteza manager. Now we will observe the methods already included in your license set, the Hoteza CMS. Once a user is created in the CMS by the IT department or Hoteza team, he will get an automatic email with his login and password, which can be inserted in the corresponding fields on the CMS start page. Newly created shop orders are received in the CMS under the Shop Orders section, while service requests appear in the CMS under the Service Requests section. In the Shop Orders section, the orders are separated automatically into several columns according to their statuses: new, confirmed, completed, or cancelled. Find the order in the list and view its details, including a delivery time, a create date, the order time, the guest, and the payment information. Set its status to confirmed and send a message to a guest saying that his breakfast is going to be delivered soon. Immediately, the guest gets the automatic message about the change status and your text on his device. He is waiting for the delivery. Once the order is fulfilled and delivered, it is essential to change its status to completed. The guest and the statistics will be updated accordingly. In some cases, you might need to cancel the order, so change the status to cancel right in the same way. Guests may also make cancellation in the My Orders section. After that, such orders will be automatically turned to the Cancel tab on this section in the CMS. The same procedures are applicable for the Service Request section. Orders and requests are easily separated between the staff members according to their responsibilities and adjusted to be received during their working shift only. Under the Staff List subsection in the CMS, you can edit any existing user's account or create a new one. Select a shop, service or staff role for the F&B team members, receptionists or spa managers, as only they get notifications about new orders and requests, while users with supervisor and administrator role receive the messages only in case the time of change in their status is expired. It may occur in 5, 10 or 15 minutes. Specify the user's email address, which will be used for new incoming messages. After that, tick the number of services for one particular staff member. Please note that by default, this setting does not affect the number of shop orders and requests shown to the users in the CMS. That means that the full list will be available for everyone. In case it is required to limit the amount of orders shown to one particular user's account, ask your Hoteza manager or our support team to enable the filter function. Using the CMS for order processing might require much time from the hotel team, which constrains them from reacting immediately. Considering that the constant access to a computer with a logged-in CMS page is obligatory for this method, the hotel members may find it inconvenient. That is why Hoteza offers another option of using the Telegram bot, beneficial to staff members' time and allowing them to manage guest orders on their personal smartphones. So, it is time to examine the way to adjust the bot for your hotel. Firstly, set the phone number receiving Telegram messages in the CMS under the Hotel Staff section. Enter the user's phone number in the international format. Please note, you should not enter such signs. After that, save the updated account. Then, in the Telegram Messenger, search for Hoteza bot in the search bar. At first, you will need to activate the bot at the bottom. Next, the Hoteza bot will offer you to go through account verification with the provided phone number. Click to confirm sending the phone number to the bot and then click on the OK. Finally, after the successful verification, the message of the past validation will appear. Now, let's see how to get notifications. Firstly, you will enable the messages by clicking the Start Workday button. New order request notifications show exactly the same details as the ones we received via the email or the CMS. Here you can easily change their status with 3 buttons: Confirm, Complete or Cancel. Immediately, the statuses will be changed accordingly in the CMS as well. Also, send messages to a guest right from the bot. At the end of the working day, your staff may want to disable receiving notifications. Just click on the Stop Workday button. In case you need to deactivate a user account from the bot, click the Unsubscribe button on the Editing User Information page. Summing up, the Hoteza bot is a smart solution, enabling the orders processing in the most comprehensible and time-saving way possible. Posting of orders to PMS. Hoteza allows its users to post guest orders and service requests directly to PMS. This option can be set at the Guest List section by pressing the Posting to PMS button and editing the data inside. It is also available in the Shop Orders section. Once an order is turned into completed, a green Post to PMS button will appear. And finally, Shop Orders and Service Request reports. For hotel managers tending to analyze profits boosted from the upsell items, accuracy in calculations is of utmost importance. Hoteza offers the report section to meet this requirement totally. The CMS collects the detailed statistics on shop orders and service requests in the shop reports and service report subsections respectively. Switch between graphical charts to receive the percentage of received service requests either by source or by status for a specified period of time. The top requests are introduced below. Under the shop report section, you may see the order statistics by source, by their status, and also by the delivery time. We hope that this video will help you to become highly skilled and versed in order processing. However, we are always happy to assist with any issue and answer any questions. Please contact us.